Enterprise Architect Interview Questions and Answers 2024. Most popular Enterprise Architect Interview Questions and Answers 2024. Interviews are the place where occupations are won or lost. A list of qualifications, particularly a solid one, will guarantee you get your foot in the entryway, yet to really get the position you need to sparkle during the Enterprise Architect Interview Questions, which means being ready. Readiness makes you look proficient and loose, two attributes that individuals for the most part prize in their work partners.
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. SprintSeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Some of them are focused on junior enterprise architects, others are for more experienced experts. Together they will give you a very smart thought of what's in store. Here and their basic enterprise architect interview questions are the hardest to reply to. It is astonishing how regularly an interviewee can stagger on an inquiry as straightforward as "What is enterprise architecture?" or related TOGAF interview questions. TOGAF, which stands for the Open Group Architecture Framework, provides a structured approach on how to configure, plan, execute, and oversee an organization's IT architecture. It is an advanced strategy often utilized by architects. Candidates aspiring to secure a position in this field can greatly benefit from preparing for business architect interview questions and obtaining TOGAF certification. Numerous positions are accessible for this work as there are more associations coming up. The following are the enterprise architect interview questions that make you agreeable to confront the interviews. List of top enterprise architect interview questions and answers. While tackling the interview rounds, it is obvious for an employer to evaluate the candidate's professional skills, experience count, and knowledge in the enterprise architecture field. So, it's not a big surprise to pull your strong cards on the table with the TOGAF interview questions and answers. Find out the list of top enterprise architect interview questions and answers. Beginners Enterprise Architect Interview Questions and Answers. 1. What is enterprise architecture? An enterprise architecture, EA, is an assortment of key data that portrays a business and the data and advancements important to work the business. This incorporates portrayals of objectives, business measures, jobs, hierarchical designs, data, applications, and frameworks. An enterprise architecture, EA, is an assortment of key data that portrays a business and the data and innovations important to work the business. This incorporates portrayals of objectives, business measures, jobs, hierarchical constructions, data, applications, and frameworks. Enterprise architecture epitomizes the data important to execute new innovations because of the changing requirements of the business. EA is regularly separated into four spaces: business, application, information, and innovation architecture. Enterprise architecture exemplifies the data important to execute new advancements in light of the changing necessities of the business. EA is regularly separated into four spaces: business, application, information, and innovation architecture. 2. What is the value of enterprise architecture? Enterprise architecture is an essential data resource to be utilized to shape the enterprise. It is vital to understand the current interest in IT and productively arrange and coordinate future IT speculations. Enterprise architecture is an instrument for distinguishing freedoms to improve key enterprise measurements identified with things like operational productivity, IT expenses, and consumer loyalty. Enterprise architecture accomplishes enterprise arrangement, oversees change, and diminishes time to showcase. 3. What is the Zachman framework? The Zachman framework is a system for enterprise architecture created by IBM during the 1980s. It gives a method of characterizing an enterprise as indicated by a 6x6 network of architecture documentation. The sections of this network ask the questions for what valid reason, how, what, who, where, and when? The lines take a gander at these questions from various degrees of detail: context-oriented, calculated, intelligent, physical, and itemized. The Zachman framework gives a view to planners, owners, designers, builders, and subcontractors. The fundamental thought is that something very similar can be portrayed for various purposes in an unexpected way. This makes a comprehensive view. It permits various individuals to take a gander at the enterprise from alternate points of view. The Zachman framework has been fused into numerous enterprise architecture systems, frequently as a kind of perspective model. 4. What is SOA? SOA is a bunch of plan standards for building a setup of interoperable, adaptable, and reusable administrations. These plan standards incorporate discoverable help contracts, free coupling, administration reflection, administration reusability, administration self-governance, and administration statelessness and administration composability. A fruitful SOA execution can lessen IT costs by expanding reusability. SOA's adaptable cross-section of administrations can likewise lessen the time to showcase. SOA likewise assists with utilizing existing ventures by enveloping heritage applications with a lattice of reusable administrations. 5. What is an architecture vision? What data does it contain? The architecture vision is made during the undertaking inception period of a venture. The motivation behind the vision is to conquer from the beginning with what the ideal result ought to be for the architecture. The architecture vision is the enterprise architect's lift pitch. It needs to just and effectively offer the advantages of the proposed architecture to chiefs. Normal substances of an architecture vision are: issue portrayal, goals, cycle portrayals, jobs and entertainers, requirements, IT standards, architecture outline, planning of the proposed architecture, 2 cycles and necessities. The Zachman framework is a system for enterprise architecture created by IBM during the 1980s. It gives a method of characterizing an enterprise as indicated by a 6x6 framework of architecture documentation. The sections of this lattice ask the questions for what good reason, how, what, who, where, and when. The lines take a gander at these questions from various degrees of detail: relevant, applied, consistent, physical, and nitty-gritty. The Zachman framework gives a view to planners, owners, designers, builders, and subcontractors. The essential thought is that something very similar can be depicted for various purposes in an unexpected way. This makes a comprehensive view. It permits various individuals to take a gander at the enterprise from alternate points of view. Intermediate enterprise architect interview questions and answers. 6. What is the TOGAF system? The Open Group Architecture Framework, TOGAF, is a structure for enterprise architecture. It gives a thorough way to deal with the plan, arranging, execution, and administration of enterprise architecture. TOGAF models the enterprise at 4 levels: business, application, data, and technology. TOGAF remembers a philosophy for characterizing IT in terms of a bunch of building blocks. It additionally contains a bunch of devices, jargon, suggested standards, and a rundown of TOGAF consistent apparatuses. TOGAF incorporates an iterative interaction for enterprise architecture called Architecture Development Method, ADM. 7. How might you assist if an answer adjusts to the enterprise architecture? It is essential to connect with projects during the commencement stage to guarantee that architecture consistency measures are remembered for the undertaking arranging. When the arrangement architecture has been characterized, a consistency appraisal ought to be performed. The consistency appraisal guarantees the task adjusts to the characterized enterprise architecture. It is additionally a chance to draw in project individuals and get criticism for the enterprise architecture. The consistency appraisal incorporates agendas for equipment, programming, applications, data, security, framework the board, and strategies and instruments. It likewise reports an outline of the task architecture plan. 8. What are SOA designs?
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.